What's up, everybody? This is Carl from Technical Goodies, and today we are looking at the MAONO wireless microphone. This is their WM620 series, and it is a wireless microphone that you're able to sort of clip to your shirt and then use with any sort of USB-C device. So let's take a look at some of the features here. It has dual units for microphone recording. So that means if you're interviewing someone or if you have someone else that you're video recording, you can both have a microphone. It has dual microphone noise cancellation, which is always good if you're out and about or doing a vlog or something like that. You want that sort of background noise cancellation. 100-meter wireless transmission, audio signal indicator. And we'll get into some of these things as we open up the box here. Dual monitoring interface, 4-step recording, gain adjustment. So if you want it to be a little bit louder or a little bit softer, if you're pegging out sometimes, if you're in a louder environment, you might want to bring the gain down a little bit. So let's go ahead and just take a look at what comes in the box. Then we'll test it out and do an audio test to see exactly how it sounds. So in the box, we have the obligatory instructions and the wireless microphone unit itself. As always, we have the standard charging cable. So this is a charging case. So this is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. So you can charge this case and take it with you on the go. And also in the box comes 2 little magnets. So these are very strong magnets. And what that allows you to do is if you don't want to clip it onto your shirt, you can go ahead and use a magnet on the inside of your shirt to be able to hook the microphone up to you. So the microphones themselves, again, come in this small little case. There's a little button on the front that you push to open it up. There's 2 microphones themselves. I'll go ahead and pull these out. And then the sort of heart of the whole thing is the receiver. So this is a USB-C receiver. It does not have the lightning connector for that, so it's going to work for USB-C. For my phone, I have the iPhone 15, so that USB-C works perfectly for me, but it also will work on any device that sort of has the ability to sort of have that USB-C connection. In order to use this, let's go ahead and give it a try. And one of the things I'm curious about is whether or not this will hook in with a case. And yep, it clicks right in, even though my case is on. A lot of times that doesn't work that way. The case gets in the way, but this seems to work fine. If you look at on the bottom here, you have your different gain levels and you have your noise cancellation or original audio. So now if we look at the actual recording microphones themselves, on the back here, you're going to want to make sure you go ahead and take off these little plastic sort of protectors that protects it during shipping. But then that exposes the charging ports here so that when you put it into the case itself, it will actually start to charge, and you can see the indicator light here showing that it is charging. Now, these are pretty multifunctional microphones, and I want to point out a lot of things about this. There is a manual connect for the USB-C charging, so you can charge it on the go. You don't have to use the case. It does have the microphone itself. It has all the sort of indicators on the front, so it shows you that it's transmitting, and it shows you that the battery is still good. It also has its own noise cancellation button right here, so you can toggle that on, toggle it off. It has a power button here. It has a original mode and a singing mode. So if you want to sing or if you want to talk, you can change that. And it sort of, I guess, changes how the microphone will pick up that volume. And it also has a little mute button right here. And last but not least, it actually has a external 3.5 headphone jack. So what that allows you to do is you can also plug in an external lavalier mic, or you can plug in headphones for monitoring if you want. So this small little unit here gives you like a wide range of flexibility. And that's one of the things I love about products is when they think about what you might want to do with it and give you that flexibility to use it the way that you want to use it. On the back, again, they do have this little clip here so that you can go ahead and just clip it onto your shirt, or these magnets that I showed you earlier will hook onto there. But I'll just go ahead and hook it to my shirt here, and we will do a quick test with the iPhone. So it should be connected. So you can see here in my recording software, I have the ability to choose iPhone microphone or the dual wireless microphone system by MAONO. I'm going to start with pure iPhone audio. Test, 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 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the sound of the speakerphone directly from the iPhone. This is the iPhone recording itself. It's not the microphone, but this is just a raw, unfiltered test to see how it sounds compared to the microphone. Now I'm going to go ahead into the settings here. I'm going to change my audio source over to dual wireless microphone system, and I'm going to record. Test, 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 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the MAONO wireless microphone system test. This is raw, unfiltered, unedited audio, so you can hear exactly how it sounds. So as you can see, very lightweight, very compact, very easy to use. Again, if I wanted to take this, put one of these magnets under my shirt, connect it right here in the middle, If I wanted to, then I'm good to go. So that gives you that flexibility to either hook it onto something or to magnet it to something specific. So I'm going to give you a couple of extra features that they have here on the website just so you have an idea. So the WM620 is only 0.38 ounces and it comes with 2 levels of noise cancellation. It easily attaches basically with the clip or with the magnet. They have their upgraded crisper audio on here. There's 2 built-in mics, an advanced new algorithm, but it has a high sampling rate of 48K, so it's going to give you that sharper, crisper sound. And it has about 6 hours of battery life, so 6 hours of recording. And with the charging case, it'll give you a full 12 hours of recording, so you just have to charge them back up. So if you're on the go, you can basically go ahead and take the receiver unit, toss it back in the box, take both of the microphones, toss them back in. And again, I want to take this other one, take off the plastic, as I told you earlier, put it in. Then they both start charging. Close it up, and on the front you see a charging indicator light that shows you how much battery is left in the device itself. When that needs to be charged up, you just plug it in with USB-C. So yeah, so far I've been impressed by all the products that I have tried from MAONO. I appreciate them for sending this over so that I can share this with you. I'm really excited to kind of use this and have another opportunity for me to be able to sort of get out and about and not have to worry about my setup here. If I want to record in the car, if I want to record somewhere else, I have a portable microphone setup that I can use and take with me on the go. So if this helped you, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, give me a subscribe. I always appreciate it. But until next time, this is Carl from Techful Goodies, and I'm out.